Guys, today we'll talk about how can you select chat member on your Wake app or you go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. So then you come to this list here, then all you have to do, just click here on account. When you click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, then you click here on chat member names. So when you click here on chat member names, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then here can you select if you want to add from Vic or from phone's contact list. Here can you select, that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.